Good morning, everyone. Happy Independence Day. Today, I am going to deliver a speech. So, first of all, I am presenting a शायरी जो ना अब तक हुआ कर दिखाएंगे हम, जो ना अब तक हुआ कर दिखाएंगे हम, नफ़रतों को दिलों से मिटाएंगे हम, नफ़रतों को दिलों से मिटाएंगे हम, अपने हिंदुस्तान को खुदा की कसम फिर से सोने की चिड़िया बनाएंगे. So guys, as you know that we are celebrating 75th Independence Day in 2022, and Independence Day is celebrating as the day of marks anniversary of national independence from British rule in 1947. Furthermore, you can say it is the most auspicious day for all Indian citizens, and because all Indian citizens were become independent after many struggle and hardships and many brave soldiers' sacrifices. And you know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of our India, and he hoisted the flag at the first time, Red Fort, New Delhi, for the first time. Today, after independence, we have made a lot of progress in the area of education, medicals, or other scientific technology. Due to this scientific technology, our India reached as the moon, Mars, and many other things. And you know that after 75 years, our India have reached a high level at the progress. And an important thing that you know that before freedom, many countries was a part of India, such as Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, etc. And this time was India was the greatest country in the population and in the area. And in ancient time, India was called as spices country. You can say that in India a lots of spices produces, and our India exports many spices to other country. So our India called as a spices country in the ancient time. But nowadays our India has been changed, and our India and Indian citizens a lot of struggles, and our India progresses towards the success. You can say that our India is a great India, and Indian citizens great people, because in 75 years our India has become many progress and many ways. So at the end, I have a humble request to you. Everyone, make yourself better in education and modern education, scientific areas, medical, etc. so that our India become a independent country, and we all Indian citizens known as a great people in future. So everyone, once again I presenting a different शायरी that आज़ादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, आज़ादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे, आज़ादी की कभी शाम नहीं होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम नहीं होने देंगे, बचा हो जो एक भी बूंद लहू का, बचा हो जो एक भी बूंद लहू का, तो अपने तब तक अपने भारत माँ का आंचल नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे, नीलाम नहीं होने देंगे। जय हिंद। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे एवरीवन, वंस अगेन, थैंक यू।